Hey guys, John here. In this video I'm going to be opening another blister pack. And let's open this baby up. Got the 3 packs. I got another Pikachu coin. Pikachu is one of my favorite Pokemons, probably the biggest reason why I got this. Put that to the side, and the Black Star promo card is a Vivillon holographic. Sure has a lot of shine to it. Dizzy Poison, Powder, 120 HP, so not bad. He's a pretty cool card, I like it. Set him aside, and we'll get into the real packs. We got Delphox, Alakazam. Start with the Delphox here. Maybe I'll get a break card. I still have not pulled a break, and I've opened a lot of packs, as you've seen in my videos. And here is the code card. If someone uses it, please tell me what you got, or if you got anything good. Do a little card trick, and here we go. Team Rocket's handiwork. Fairy Garden. Braixen. Bronzor. Larvitar. Burmy. A Seal. Finnegan. I like Finnegan. His name's kind of fun to say. Riolo, reverse holo. It's kind of cool. And the rare in the pack is a white. Oh, that's good. White Kyurem holographic. As you can see, it's hollow. It's kind of hard to tell. That's a cool card. I already have pulled that card before. I'd rather have a break card because I still have not pulled one at all since Fates Collide has came out. Open up the Alakazam pack. Here is the code card for anyone who wants them. Good luck with those. Here we go. Fairy Garden. This looks like the same exact thing I opened. Scorched Earth, Binacle, Snubble, Riolu, another one of my favorite Pokemon in Fates Collide. His name's just kind of fun to say. A Deerling, Jigglypuff, that's cool. Chaos Tower, reverse holo. I'm not sure if I've pulled that one before. And this last card is, or the rare card, is a Snorlax. Non-holo, and he's okay. I think I've pulled him before. Well, not too good so far. Still looking for something good here. Here's the code card. The card trick here. There's a bent spoon. Altaria, Spirit Link. Dome Fossil, Kabuto. A Jigglypuff. Looks like he's got a Snivy and a Spoink. In the background there, a Finnegan and a Chikorita. Snubble. Looks like he's hiding underneath the table after he broke the lamp. Seal. Bronzor. Reverse holo of a Snorlax. It is a rare. I thought I just pulled, yep, I just pulled that card. So 2 of them. And the rare is a Mr. Mime non hollow. So I give this unboxing, it was not very good. The only card that's worth anything to me is this White Kyurem holographic. Well, if you liked this video, it wasn't very good, not a lot of polls, but please like, subscribe, and I'll try to do better next time. Thanks.